Hi, this is Jackie Kiadii, Microsoft Certified Trainer, specializing in Excel and Power BI. So, in my last Power BI class, I mentioned this as kind of an aside when we were discussing something else. And everybody in the class, including people who had some Power BI experience, are like, hey, hold up, do that again. So, I figure that this is something that might interest a lot of you. What I'm going to talk about today is how you can copy and paste data from Excel into Power BI. Now, keep in mind, the whole point of Power BI is the ability to link to data so that you can refresh it as it changes. But every once in a while, you might have a short list that is static, that doesn't change, and you just need it. You need to get it into Power BI, maybe use it as a lookup table or whatever the case may be. So, doing it is very easy. All you do is go to Excel and copy your data, and then you switch over to Power BI. And in Power BI, you can either click here where it says paste data into a blank table, or you can go to the Home tab and click Enter Data. And when you get this screen, all you have to do is Control V like Victor to paste. It automatically recognizes the top row as a header. If you want to undo that, you can click here to undo. But we do want to go ahead and use that. And so at this point, you can name your table. So let's say I want to name my table countries. And then you can either click load to load it into Power BI, or you can click edit to go into the query editor in order to edit it. So I'm just going to click load. And it is going to take a moment to load it into Power BI. And you will see this pop up as on the right hand side of my screen. So you see over here under fields, now I have a table called countries with one column called country. And when I switch over here to the data view, give it a moment, here's my table. So that's how you can copy and paste data from Excel into Power BI. Keep in mind there is a restriction. You are restricted to 3,000 cells. And so if your information is over 3,000 cells, you're going to get an error message when you try to do this. There is a workaround to it that I might address in another video. In the meantime, if you found this helpful, I would appreciate you commenting down below. And as always, thank you for watching.